Good morning, everyone. In this episode, a lot of things change. The initial plan was to travel here to Tijuana as the final destination, but the plan has changed. Since I'm so close to the United States, I'll be visiting San Diego. Also, the trip is going to continue, but just with me. Brenda and me is over. The trip until Tijuana was meant to be our last trip. After being together for more than 5 years, we decided to go our separate way. We have different life plans, but we'll always remain great friends. So, enjoy the third episode. So, we're just arriving at the beach in Tijuana. So, here's the infamous wall that separates the state of Baja California, Mexico, with the state of California in United States. For some of us, that's where the adventure's ending. But in my case, that's where it starts. As of today, the border is super quiet. The time of Biden is clearly over. There's no more migrants that try to cross illegally. It's still something that is done, but far from here, by tunnels or by the desert. The border is highly secured and patrolled by helicopters, cars, and dirt bikes. The beach of Tijuana is kind of a special place. What I mean is, you can't go swim in the water. The ocean is contaminated by fecal matters. Literally, Tijuana flushed their sewers in the ocean. We're now on our way to Tijuana downtown. Thanks to the magic of cinema, I'm now all alone. We're going to Avenida Revolucion. That's pretty much the principal avenue in Tijuana. Welcome to the beautiful city of Tijuana, a city that have a special place in my heart because I used to live here 10 years ago. The city haven't changed much, it's pretty desertic. The city of Tijuana, that's where the Caesar salad was invented. That's also where there's more than 150 homicides every month. The infrastructure in the city is pretty well developed, as you can see. Now we're in the zone Rio in downtown Tijuana. We're gonna have a look at the infamous red zone, which is called Zona de Tolerancia. People getting robbed by the municipal police, pretty usual sight here in Tijuana. So that's where the tolerance zone is starting, known for prostitution and drugs. At your left and your right, just here, you see points that sell drugs. They call this a tolerance zone, but in reality, they don't tolerate. That's a big business here. For each client that the sex worker do, they have to pay the municipal police and the local cartels here to keep working. They're constantly watched to make sure they do it. If they don't do it, they might appear on these disappeared people posters. So we're now ready to cross to the USA to San Ysidro border, the busiest border in the world officially. We're gonna have a look to see what San Diego have to offer. Adios Tijuana, capital of the best tacos. Right now at your left, you can appreciate the border of San Ysidro. There's no going back, we're officially in United States. Well, that was pretty easy. No secondary inspection. First of all, I'll find an hotel to leave my stuff, then I'll visit a couple beaches. San Diego, California, a city so close to Mexico but so different. Different economical situation, different language, different country. But it really feels like another planet. Astonishing views everywhere. I consider myself very lucky to have the chance to visit the city. First stop beach is called La Jolla. Amazing! Nothing to do with Tijuana. Spectacular. Look at these sea lions. So beautiful. I could live here. Okie dokie, so we're gonna have a look to another beach. Imperial Beach, nice little bars and restaurants everywhere. I feel that during this trip I'm gonna see a lot of different beaches. I probably won't be able to show all of them to you, so I'll keep it for me. One thing that can look normal to you guys, but for me, it is not. Here in USA, they have public shower on the beach and public restrooms. That's not something you'll see in Mexico. Pretty impressive to see the size of these beaches. Incredible sunset. Can't ask for more. So, today is my last day in San Diego, so I'll be visiting the USS Midway, which is a decommissioned aircraft carrier here in San Diego. Six-way highway, that's new for me. Looks like the downtown is abandoned. Pretty quiet here. The USS Midway, one of the more popular aircraft carrier, starting its service in 1945, it served US military armada for more than 47 years. The USS Midway have been part of many key operations, like the Cold War, the Vietnam War, and the Operation Desert Storm. This aircraft carrier is now decommissioned and serves as a museum here in waterfront San Diego. Pretty impressive to see how they used to work and live here. Pretty fun activity to do. Nice to visit inside and outside. Now I gotta go back to Tijuana just for an hour to get some paper sorted. I'll show you what it's looked like to cross the border from USA to Mexico. Literally, there's no control, there's no nothing. We're on our way back to Tijuana. It should be only about 30 minutes to get there. Pretty hard to believe. Gigantic cemetery for the fallen soldiers. There's always big waiting lines in cars. Not in motorcycle anyway. So green light means you can keep going, but if the light is red, you gotta go to secondary inspection, which never happened to me. So that's pretty much it. It's that easy to get inside Mexico by a port of entry. No custom checks, no searching into your vehicle, and then they ask themselves, how does the weapons get in? Amazing weather today. That's the end of August. We're back in USA. Right now we're going to LA. Should be around 2 to 3 hours to get to Los Angeles if we take the direct highway. Beautiful sunny day. Absolutely stunning road. I'm riding on the coast since an hour. Woohoo! We're arriving. I just left my stuff at the hotel. We're gonna visit the downtown in LA. First impression of the downtown is that I don't think LA is pretty much known for its downtown, right? It doesn't look like there's much to see. Just arrived in LA. Now that I'm not in Mexico anymore, I'm craving tacos. Don't ask me why. The problem here is that it's gonna cost me a fortune. Well, I gotta keep moving, so I'll have a look at Beverly Hills and the famous letters of Hollywood. Here we are in Beverly Hills, so you got all the big brands like Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton. There's not much for me here, but it's a nice place to hang out. Here's the famous streets that we see in the movies with the palm trees. We can see the big letters from Hollywood not far from here. Far from here. The city of LA surprised me because it's exactly like I thought it would be. Helicopters that are constantly in the sky, car chase with police on the highway, lowrider car meets. The city is exactly like the movie portrayed it. So that's pretty much it for Hollywood Boulevard. We're gonna check what the city have to offer in terms of beach. So beautiful. I'm moving here. So that's it for today. I would like to thank you if you're still with me, and I'll see you in the next episode.